Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? So if you've been with me for the past few weeks, then you know we've been doing some head-turning exercises. We've drawn Morty Smith, Dipper Pines, and Luffy. And last week, we drew Princess Bubblegum from Adventure Time. This week, we'll be drawing another girl character. This one with a little more detail compared to the fair Princess Bubblegum, Luna Loud from Nickelodeon's The Loud House. Luna is a guitar-playing, rock-loving, third oldest child in the Loud family. Like the other head-turning lessons, I'll give you an easy template to use to practice drawing Luna's head in different positions or angles. But unlike our lesson on Princess Bubblegum, I'm going to use two ovals to map out Luna's head instead of one. The bigger oval for the upper portion of her head, and then a smaller, wide oval for her cheeks. I'm going to also give you the same expanded template, kind of a head-turning tree, for you to use to begin to work on drawing characters' heads in even more positions or directions. Notice the curved guidelines I've added to indicate that the head has volume and is not a flat object. I hope you find it helpful. When we're done with our lesson, I challenge you to draw Luna's head in these other angles. Okay, now before we get going, I ask you to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right then, let's get into our head turning exercise with Luna Loud from the Loud House. So we're going to draw Luna in 5 angles: straight on, 3/4, profile, 3/4 looking up, and 3/4 looking down. Again, these are only a sampling of the many angles to choose from when it comes to drawing a character's head. There are literally endless possibilities. Anyway, what do you say we get started with our simple roadmap for our head turning exercise using Luna Loud from the Loud House? So there's our roadmap for a head-turning exercise using Luna Loud. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. Those curve guidelines we've drawn to help us to know where to put Luna's eyes, nose, mouth, among other things, we don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. All right, so let's rough out the features for our Luna Loud head-turning exercise. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Luna in our head turning exercise. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details for Luna Loud. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. As I often say, I want you to be present. And what I mean by that is you don't want to just mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. As you're drawing that final line, you want to be thinking about how you might improve it and staying vigilant until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the details for a head turning exercise with Luna Loud. And that's how you do it. There you have it, our head-turning exercise using Luna Loud from Nickelodeon's The Loud House. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn any pose of Luna Loud before, you can't expect to have drawn her perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our Luna head poses during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing various head poses of Luna Loud. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your Luna Loud head-turning exercise drawings. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.